This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. As the nation gears up for a free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years from 21st June 2021, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is absolutely essential to go out and continue to follow the 4 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene, and get vaccinated. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075. And now, the news. In Meghalaya, 3 civil hospitals at Tura, Nongpo and Jowai now have emergency oxygen supply to provide intensive care treatment to critically ill COVID-19 patients. The plants utilize pressure swing adsorption technology to produce up to 800 liters of oxygen per minute. A total of 8 oxygen generation plants are being installed in the northeastern states of Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura with the help of the Government of Japan and UNDP. The plants have the capacity to serve approximately 1,300 beds. Launching the plants at Tura yesterday, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the relationship between Japan and India has grown from strength to strength. Similarly, oxygen generation plants were inaugurated at Nongpo and Jowai. In Assam, over 3.5 lakh people have been vaccinated on Monday. The health department has covered 50,000 people beyond the set target yesterday. The second day of vaccination went on smoothly across the state. The Assam government has set the target to vaccinate 3 lakh people daily for 10 days. Ministers and senior officials are camping at various districts to monitor the vaccination drive. 2,100 sites have been identified across the state for the vaccination drive. The Nagaland government has approved for the transfer of 2,000 rupees each to the bank accounts of all building and other construction workers in the state. The amount will be debited from the state's cess fund. Till date, the Labour Department has registered 30,797 beneficiaries. The department said that all technical details of the beneficiaries have been worked out and the transfer of money will be done through the direct benefit transfer. In Manipur, 575 persons, including 4 personnel of the Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases during the last 24 hours. These cases were detected out of 4,791 samples tested for COVID-19. On the other hand, 10 people expired due to COVID-19 positive in the last 24 hours, which has increased the total fatality due to the pandemic to 1,065. Meanwhile, 469 COVID-19 patients were discharged during the period. The total number of recovered cases is 54,714 and the total number of positive cases is 64,993. The active cases stand at 9,214. A total of 5,408 people have been vaccinated in Manipur. Meghalaya reported 3 COVID-19 related deaths, tallying the total fatalities to 788 yesterday. The state also recorded 421 fresh COVID-19 cases yesterday, bringing the total active cases to 4,273. The state reported 341 recoveries, adding the recovered cases to 40,915. East Khasi Hills district now has 1,377 active cases, while West Garo Hills has 607 active cases. Till date, a total of 6,16,537 persons in Meghalaya have been vaccinated. Nagaland reported 64 fresh COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the tally to 24,438. The state also registered 146 recoveries, taking the total recovered cases in the state to 21,513, with a recovery rate of 88.03%. In addition, 2 deaths related to COVID have mounted the casualties in the state to 463. At present, there are 1,757 active cases. Thomas Jones Day was observed yesterday in Meghalaya. The day marked the arrival of Welsh Christian missionary Thomas Jones at Sora in the early 1840s. In 2018, the Meghalaya government announced June 22nd as the date of Jones' arrival at Sora and should be celebrated as Thomas Jones Day every year. Thomas Jones recorded the Khasi language in Roman script, and the inscription on his gravestone calls him the founding father of the Khasi alphabet and literature. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.